In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 1015 in Notion step by step in 2026. This is a common issue that can suddenly block you from accessing Notion, and it usually happens because of network restrictions, VPNs, proxies, or cached site data. Don't worry though, because this guide is simple, beginner-friendly, and works on both desktop and browser versions of Notion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, we're going to completely clear Notion's site data and any extra cached Notion sites. This step is very important because error 1015 is often triggered by corrupted cache or stored site permissions. If you're using Notion in your browser, open your browser settings and go to Privacy or Site Settings. From there, look for cookies or site data and search for Notion. Remove all entries related to Notion, including any extra Notion domains you see listed. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it. If you're using the Notion desktop app, make sure the app is fully closed, not just minimized. On Windows, check the system tray, and on Mac, make sure it's not running in the background. Reopen Notion after clearing everything and see if the error is gone. If it's still there, move on to the next step. The second step is to turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. Error 1015 is very commonly caused by VPNs because Notion may temporarily block certain IP addresses if it detects unusual traffic. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off completely. This includes browser-based VPN extensions as well, so make sure to disable those too. If you're on a work or school network that uses a proxy, try switching to a personal network or mobile hotspot temporarily. Once the VPN or proxy is turned off, refresh Notion or restart the app and check if the error is resolved. Next, you'll want to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can also trigger error 1015 in Notion. Try opening other websites to confirm your internet is working properly. If pages load slowly or fail to load, restart your router or modem. You can also switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or use mobile data to test. After reconnecting to a stable internet connection, open Notion again and see if it loads correctly. In most cases, following these 3 steps will fully fix error 1015 in Notion. Clearing site data removes corrupted files. Disabling VPNs prevents IP blocks, and a stable internet connection ensures Notion can connect properly to its servers. If the error still appears after all this, wait a few minutes and try again, as temporary rate limits usually resolve on their own. And that's it. You've successfully fixed error 1015 in Notion. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, troubleshooting guides, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.